International aid focuses on the health and well-being of the world's most vulnerable people. That's a 14-word summary of a multi-layered and global set of programs and products that could fill a library. International aid has come to stand for compassionate healthcare delivered with efficiency and excellence. Our health-related initiatives include child survival and maternal health, community transformation, blindness prevention and glaucoma research at the Tema Christian Eye Ministry in Ghana, provision of medical equipment and a comprehensive training program for the maintenance and repair of those critical tools, the innovative and highly portable lab in a suitcase, and the ever-expanding Medical and Surgical Skills Institute, aimed at offering world-class training for West African doctors and other medical professionals. With these tools, backed by the power of prayer and partnerships, international aid seeks to impact the health of the world.
What is interesting about IAID's program here at Valley View is that we have students coming from all over the continent of Africa. And the program actually is helping our people, because as you travel up and down the country, not only in Ghana, but virtually all parts of Africa, you find very expensive equipment sitting there in our hospitals that are not being used because there are no people who have the skills to repair this equipment.
If you can imagine a world where there are no functioning equipment, that people are waiting in line to get some kind of word about their loved ones, and really there is no word until some of these diagnostic and therapeutic machines can be put into a state where they can really help people.
I was in India working in a hospital that was a combination of private and a foundation where they did children from around the world. And they needed a heart-lung machine. And within 3 weeks of contacting international aid, there it was. And as soon as it was out of the box, their own biomedical engineer looked at it. It was already rigged for 220 and whatever. All they had to do was plug it in. The day it arrived, it was the day it was used. And so that day, no child was canceled and all the cases were done. I mean, that was probably the most notable example of the efficiency and the quality.
It is frustrating and sad to see somebody walking about hitting himself against things because of poor eyesight. And have this setup to help people to see, we say it's a marvelous job. And I speak on behalf of staff of Tema Christian Eye Center that we are also pleased with the results that we are seeing. And we have also offered ourselves to help. If Americans far away are ready to help, how much more we who are here. So we have gained some motivation from them, and we are trying to do our best. God be our help.
The blind, the outcast, the weak, and the suffering have a special place in the heart of Jesus. And therefore, the heart of international aid beats for them with urgency and compassion too. International aid chooses to follow in the pathway of the great physician and the eternal cure that he prescribes for all who are sick in one way or another.